Alright guys, now we're at the airport and we are going to Sydney. See you in Sydney! Alright, we have reached Sydney and now I'm at Bondi Beach. I've checked in to my hostel, which is Wake Up Bondi, and it's actually right in front of me. I'll show it to you later. Alright, so there's Wake Up Bondi. There's the hostel I'm staying at. Alright, see you for day 2 tomorrow. Alright, it's day 2, so today I'll be going for surf lessons and I'll bring you along with me on my GoPro. See you later. Alright guys, it's day 3 and right now I'm going to meet up with my parents because we're watching at 9 AM. So I'll see you guys when we reach the whale watching area.
And an animal was up.
Alright guys, it is day 4 and I'm going to be checking out of my hostel today. So see you when I check out. Alright guys, it is day 4 and we are going to be checking out of this apartment and checking into the next accommodation. So see you at checkout.
Going down.
Right now, so see you later. Alright guys, so today is day 7 and right now we're gonna do some shopping, so see you later. Alright guys, it's our last day here. We are now at the airport, waiting to catch our flight back to Singapore.
Welcome to Singapore, ladies and gentlemen, and to all Singaporeans and residents of Singapore, a warm welcome home.